All right, let's jump right into this. Today, we're unpacking some really incredible design trends for windows and doors coming our way in 2025. Whether you're gearing up for a massive architectural build, tackling a renovation, or, maybe you just absolutely love staying ahead of the curve on home design, the insights we're covering today are going to completely shift how you view the connection between your home's interior and the outside world.
So think about this for a second. What actually defines your home's character? If you visualize your own living space right now, we tend to spend so much time obsessing over paint swatches, the furniture, the flooring, but your windows and doors, they aren't just functional gaps in a wall. They're literally the lenses through which you view the world. They dictate the light, the mood, and honestly, the very first impression your home makes. To get a real sense of where the industry is heading next year, we're pulling directly from Fixar.com's massive Windows and Doors report for 2025. This survey talks to the top architects, builders, and designers out there. And specifically, we're going to look at this through the expert lens of Lauren Adams. She's the co-owner and principal at the design build firm Letter 4, and she's actually featured as a top expert contributor in this exact report. Okay, let's dive into this. Part 1, Framing the View, looking at 2025 window trends. As we break down the report, there are really three massive window trends completely dominating the blueprints for 2025. We've got minimalist frames, indoor/outdoor living, and dark color frames. And what's cool is that each one beautifully manipulates light and space, but in totally different ways. First up is the major shift toward the sleek aesthetic of minimalist frames. By literally minimizing the physical frame itself, architects are maximizing those sightlines and the overall ratio of glass. Basically, these ultra-thin profiles strip away all that visual clutter. They serve as this really subtle, modern border that just lets natural sunlight take center stage. Next, we're seeing an absolute explosion in indoor/outdoor living. This trend is all about completely dissolving the physical barrier between, say, your living room and your backyard. We're talking massive, operable glass systems that open up entirely. The goal for 2025 is to make it almost impossible to tell where the interior ends and the natural environment begins. It's so relaxed and natural. And then we have our third trend, dark color frames. For years, right, those standard white frames were just the default. But swapping a light frame for a dark, bold color choice? That adds instant architectural drama. What's really interesting about this approach is how a dark frame acts almost like a picture frame in an art gallery. It defines the view and completely elevates a room's sophisticated vibe by drawing your eye directly out to the landscape. Moving right along, let's look at Part 2, Making an Entrance, the 2025 Door Trends.
According to the industry leaders surveyed, there are two dominant door trends that top designers are using to grandly welcome people into homes next year. Those are tall doors and wood-grain front doors. Let's see how these choices really change the whole psychology of an entryway.
First, tall doors, and I mean really stretching the vertical height of a door. This makes a commanding architectural statement. It isn't just about using a larger piece of material, it's about fundamentally altering the structural proportion of the space. An oversized door instantly establishes a massive feeling of space and grandeur before a guest even steps foot inside. But look, grandeur doesn't have to mean cold, right? And that brings us to wood grain front doors. We're seeing a major pivot away from those stark, heavily painted entries. Instead, designers are utilizing wood grain finishes to introduce organic textures. It really grounds the property with this incredible natural warmth, making the exterior just infinitely more inviting.
Now for the reality check. Part 3, Beyond the Trends, focusing on the practical reality.
Because the crucial point here is that when you're upgrading your home, you have to walk a really fine tightrope between aesthetics and function. I mean, all these popular styles and expansive glass walls are incredible for inspiration, sure, but they require a lot of heavy lifting when it comes to the actual execution. A beautiful design trend is useless if it doesn't work for your daily lifestyle. You absolutely have to evaluate thermal performance and U factors to ensure those massive new windows don't completely spike your utility bills. You're balancing architectural beauty with energy efficiency, durability, security, and long-term maintenance.
So, how do we actually pull this off? Part 4, the execution, highlighting the design-build solution.
This is exactly where a comprehensive design-build solution, like the structured approach used by Letter 4, becomes absolutely essential. Step 1 is the customization of specifications, making sure every single window and door perfectly matches the project's exact vision. Step 2 is selection and sourcing from leading manufacturers so that those materials actually fit your timeline. And step 3 is the management of delivery and installation. Having that strict, professional oversight is what keeps these highly complex projects seamlessly on schedule and on budget.
As we wrap up these insights today, I want to leave you with one final, provocative thought to chew on. Will your 2025 home just follow design trends, or will it perfectly frame your life? Trends are fantastic for getting inspired, but true architectural success only happens when expert design meets seamless execution. It's all about finding that perfect intersection of form and function. Thanks so much for joining me to explore this, and I definitely encourage you to go take a look at your own spaces today with a fresh set of eyes.